Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen, and today I'm going to be sharing this amazing and scrumptious Chapli Kebab recipe. It's very easy, so let's quickly get it started. Here I have taken a large bowl. To that we'll add 500 grams of chicken keema. To that we'll add ginger paste, garlic paste, chilies. You can reduce the amount if you like, roasted jeera powder, coriander powder. Now ideally इसमें crushed coriander seed जाता है, but I don't like the coriander seed coming in my mouth, so I have skipped. Then I've added garam masala. Anardana is very important in this recipe, so you need to add that. Some pepper flakes, some tomatoes finely chopped. I have de-seeded the tomatoes. Some green onions. You can add normal onion if you like. Some coriander leaves. उसके बाद मैं डाल दूँगी एक अंडा और salt to taste. इन सबको बहुत अच्छे से हमने मिक्स करना है. And to bind, we'll add cornstarch 1/4 cup, that is 4 tablespoons. Now आप cornstarch कम और ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं depending on the amount of moisture your chicken has. So my mixture is ready. Now we are going to shape it up. You can shape it up just the way you fancy. I am just going to keep it very plain and simple. इस तरह से चपटा कर लेंगे बीच में. विल फ्लैटन इट आउट. उसके बाद it's all ready. Now we'll fry it. For that I have some oil heating up. एक तवे और एक पैन पे, whatever you want to call it. उसके बाद मैं इस पे डाल दूँगी हमारे चपली कबाब्स और इसको फ्राई करना है for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Until it's completely cooked. The best part about this recipe कि आप इसको freeze कर सकते हैं. And this is done. We'll serve it. This is my beautiful Chapli Kebab platter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give this recipe a try and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.